everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to bake some holiday cookies, so let's get into today's video. So first things first, I'm going to get this oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to use my pizza pan here because it's literally the biggest baking pan that I have. I'm going to lay the cookies out on there, and then we're going to put them in for, I believe, 8 minutes. So I will be the first to admit I am not the baker in this relationship. It's not me. That's why I'm using pre-made cookies. Yeah, I'm not the baker. We'll go ahead, we'll get the cookies laid out while this guy's preheating. Alright, now that the oven is preheated, we're gonna stick our thing of cookies right in here. I'm gonna set this guy over here. And we'll set a timer for 8 minutes. Alright, let's take a look at these bad boys at 8 minutes. We'll let them cool for a bit. While we get out the foil. Alright. Now that these have cooled for a little bit, we'll let them cool. I'll put them with the others. Alright, put these out over here. I'm totally molding this. Thank y'all for joining me in today's little Vlogmas vlog, and I will catch y'all in the next one.